Hey there, future investors! Ever wondered if investing in index funds is the right move for you? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the pros and cons of index fund investing so you can make an informed decision. First, let's talk about the pros. Number 1, diversification. When you invest in an index fund, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You get a little piece of a lot of different companies. This spreads out your risk and increases your chances of seeing steady returns. Number 2, lower fees. Index funds typically come with lower expense ratios compared to actively managed funds. Why? Because they don't require a team of analysts and managers. Lower costs mean more of your money stays invested and growing. Third on our pro list, simplicity. Investing in an index fund is like setting it and forgetting it. You don't need to constantly monitor the market or make frequent trades. It's a perfect option for those who want a hands-off approach. All right, now let's get real and discuss the cons. Number 1, limited growth potential. Index funds are designed to match, not beat, the market. So if you're looking for sky-high returns, you might not get that with an index fund. Number 2, lack of control. When you invest in an index fund, you don't get to pick and choose the companies you invest in. This means you might end up investing in companies you don't necessarily believe in or support. And lastly, number 3, market risk. While index funds do diversify your investments, they're still subject to overall market downturns. If the market takes a hit, so will your fund. So should you invest in index funds? It really depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're after low fees, diversification, and simplicity, index funds might be your best bet. But if you crave control and higher growth potential, you might want to explore other options. Remember, investing is a personal journey. Do your own research and consider speaking with a financial advisor. Thanks for tuning in and happy investing.